In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide all posts from your Facebook timeline. If you've ever wanted to clean up your profile, limit what others can see, or just get a fresh start without deleting your account, hiding your posts is a great way to do it. I'll walk you through the process step by step, and by the end, your old posts will be hidden from your timeline. First, open Facebook and log into your account if you're not already signed in. Once you're on the home screen, go to your profile. You can do this by clicking your name or profile picture at the top of the page or in the side menu. This takes you straight to your timeline, where all your posts are displayed. Next, look for the activity log. On desktop, you'll usually find this by clicking the three dots near your profile picture or cover photo, then selecting activity log from the drop-down menu. On mobile, you may need to tap the three lines or settings icon on your profile, and then look for something like activity log or profile settings. The exact wording can change slightly over time, but it will always mention your activity or posts. Once you're inside the activity log, you'll see a list of your actions on Facebook: posts, likes, comments, and so on. What we're interested in is the section that controls what appears on your timeline. Look for an option related to timeline or your posts. Tap or click that to filter the view so you're only seeing your own posts. Here, you'll have tools to manage the visibility of your content. Depending on the current Facebook layout, you may see options to bulk manage posts. If there's a Manage or Select button, click it. Then select the posts you want to hide. If your goal is to hide everything, you can usually select all visible posts on the screen. After selecting, look for an option like Hide from Profile or Hide from Timeline. Confirm your choice. Facebook may ask if you're sure, reminding you that the posts aren't deleted, just hidden. Go ahead and confirm. Give it a moment to process. When it's done, go back to your profile and scroll through your timeline. You should notice that those posts are no longer visible there. They still exist in your account, and depending on their original privacy settings, they may still be visible in other places, but your main timeline will look much cleaner. And that's how to hide all posts from your Facebook timeline.